Hello, and thank you for joining me. This is one of your senior customer success coaches, Ken Stone. I wanted to talk to you today about one of the reports that I frequently use when I check the market. What I'm going to first do is jump on over into the marketing drop-down menu. I'm going to come down here to the market statistics report. I personally love this particular report as it shows me the range of time frame over how a specific area or county are doing, and I can give good estimates to my clients based on those figures. What I'm going to do is first start off by choosing the date range. Now, it initially does default to the current month ending within the most recent month, of course, that passed. If I do populate down, I can say if I wanted to go back to the very first part of the year, so January of 25 through April, I can, of course, enter a price. It is not required. Even the date range is not required in this type, as well as the property type. Now, I'm going to keep us within our residential market, but the areas that are going to be required are going to be our geographic area. In this case, I may want to look into, we'll say, Prince William County. Of course, I'm going to start typing that in. I'll see all of those areas in this area. Now, if I see, I can find Prince William County here. Now, parts to note is that I can add additional counties to this area. So if I wanted to add in Manassas City, I can as well. And as well as Manassas Park City. So if I wanted to bring in the entirety of those areas, I can do so. I'm going to leave it at these two for the current moment. Now keep in mind, this is going to combine both of those locations into one search and not segregate them out specifically. I'm going to go ahead and run this report. And I can, of course, see for that combined market, month over month, the current units listed, that listing volume, as well as the median sale price on those two markets combined. I can also look at the end of month inventory and the month supply inventory. Now keep in mind the end of month inventory would be the total number of active listings in which were available for purchase at the end of the month. And of course, our month supply is the measure of how many months it would take to sell off the current inventory of homes on the market given the current pace of sales. We can also see the number of pended properties for our combined areas, units sold, sold volume, sold median price, and then the days on market and cumulative days on market. Now we do have our report summary of overall from January to April, the average sold price, average pended, the median sold price, as well as the median sold. And then we do get to see our current month, this month, of course, being May, the current units available in our combined market, inventory accumulation, volume, average sale price, median sale price, and new listings as new under contract. Now, for me, we can also look at the last year. So comparatively to May of last year, and then last month's individual. Now, I do love this report as it does give me an idea of where that market's sitting, and I can take this further into some of our other marketed reports, such as our home demand index, our industry watch report, and even our market performance report if I have a specific property in mind. I want to thank you again for taking a look at this market statistics report with me, and I hope you have a great day.